And here we are, Wednesday afternoon. After 2 days of raining, finally a day of a little better weather. So it's sunny, it has been sunny. Well, except in the morning. In the morning I didn't film because it was still, I couldn't say it was raining per se, but there were, droplets. I said, okay, now raining. And yeah, when I came home it was a little bit hot, so I said, okay, Lizzie, let's wait for a bit. But she managed to hold off the walk for about an hour before she started to complain that we need to go. Oh yeah. Quite a busy week. 3 days. We had quite a busy, like end of May and June usually are quite busy, because July and August basically nobody works. Nobody works. People go on holidays, and then it's you have problems with getting anyone to do anything. It's not Monty, it's another Australian Shepherd trying to make a number 2. Liza still has to do her thing. Hopefully she will do it soon. But yeah, Pridna. Oh yeah, Monty spent the night here yesterday. So, one of the interesting things, yesterday they ate the left of that stew that was made from the hearts, and Liza, got quite a substantial portion as always, but she was still hungry. So I was then thinking, because the heart muscle is a pretty lean meat, and she was getting this stew for 3 days. 2 days, 3 days, 3 days. And I assume this is why she was, hungry. Oh, number 2. Or even, why she threw up 2 days ago. Okay, we'll be right back. Yeah, as I was saying, she was getting this lean meat, and I assume this is why she was so hungry. So today, Tuki, ne. Tuki, today in the morning, she got pretty. She got, her regular meal, canned meat plus kibble combined. So yeah. And so far, she didn't want to eat any grass, because Mom said yesterday, even after she ate quite a lot, basically more than usual, her stomach was still grumbling, like that she's still hungry. So yeah, I don't know. Come on. 2 more doggos. We are all out for a walk. Tuki, does ceste. We have to vacate the road. So yeah, quite busy. Oh, Lizika. Instead of walking forwards, she has to go backwards. So yeah, we are quite busy at work. Tomorrow we'll be busy, so hopefully on Friday we will be less busy. You know, every day meetings or whatever, or some things that come, you know, unexpectedly, that you have to do quickly. So yeah, okay, we will end on this point.